In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate your Google Calendar with HubSpot through the HubSpot app marketplace. This integration can simplify how you manage your schedules and appointments, making it a fantastic way to boost productivity and ensure you never miss a beat. We'll begin right inside your HubSpot account. Take a look at the top navigation bar, and you'll want to find the marketplace icon. It often resembles a little storefront or a puzzle piece. Clicking on this icon is your gateway to a variety of tools and apps that can enhance your HubSpot experience. Once you're in the marketplace, you'll see an option for the app marketplace in the drop-down menu. Select this, and you'll be greeted with a search bar. This is your tool for finding the specific app you need. Type in Google Calendar and hit enter. This will bring up the results, where you should see the Google Calendar integration listed. Click on this listing to go to the apps page. Now it's time to install the app. You should see an Install App or Connect App button on the page. Go ahead and click it. This will start the installation process, which involves authorizing the connection between HubSpot and your Google account. This integration is designed to bring the data from your Google Calendar right into HubSpot, providing you with a cohesive view of your appointments. Next, you'll be redirected to the Google sign-in page. Here, you'll need to log into the Google account that you want to link with HubSpot. Make sure it's the account containing the calendar events you wish to integrate. Once you've logged in, you'll be prompted to grant HubSpot permission to access your calendar. This step is crucial. It allows HubSpot to sync with your Google Calendar, enabling the integration to function smoothly. After you've granted the necessary permissions, you'll be redirected back to HubSpot. You should see a dialog box that confirms your integration has been successfully installed. This message is your green light, letting you know that the connection between your Google Calendar and HubSpot is now live. With this integration set up, you'll have a powerful new way to manage your schedule directly from HubSpot. It will allow for seamless access to all your calendar events, ensuring that your schedule is always in sync and up to date. This can help reduce the time spent switching between different platforms and help you to stay organized and focused on what matters most in your day-to-day tasks. Thank you for watching and following along. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more insights on maximizing the potential of your marketing tools.